Pomegranate, beautiful piece of fruit. People don't like it for one reason. How do you get this? How do you get the pomegranate out of here? I'm going to show you how to take every single pomegranate out of this fruit in less than 60 seconds. Okay, so the tools you're going to need is you're going to need a nice little big bowl like this. Get a little paring knife, and the most important tool, a wooden spoon. Let's get started. So we're going to cut the top off like this. And if you got like a sink, just drop it in the sink, like here. And then we're going to cut the corners like this. Scar it like pretty much where you see those lines like that. And you want to go like that. You want to cut this way. You want to cut like you're cutting a pear. You don't want to cut all the way. You just want to cut right there. Yeah, just cut like here. Because we're going to split it. All right. So we pretty much got split. Now what we're going to do is we're going to break it open like this. And what's happening is they're dropping in the bowl. Hear that? That's where the magic doesn't start. This little piece right here, take that off. So now what you did is you made like a little flower. See that? Now what we're going to do is, this might break off. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take this, and we're going to smack it. Look, all gone. See that? Let's do that again. What you gotta do is just hit it with this wooden spoon, and they just fall right in that bowl, like nothing. Look, one section is gone. They just fall right out. It's amazing. It's so easy. And people nobody wants to do this because they're like, it looks like so much work. Some people do it by hand, and it's that's why nobody buys it. But all you gotta need is a nice wood spoon. Just bang it right into a bowl, and they just fall everywhere, just everywhere. Look at that. Oh, gone. We're almost done. You can even hear them. You hear them dropping right into the bowl. Look at it, all over. They just fall right out like nothing. It's amazing how this thing works. Yeah. Oh, look, all fall out. Look, it's almost empty. A little more. Just keep banging them all out. Just keep hitting it, keep hitting it, keep hitting it. You'll get some of the white scraps fall in there. Just pick them out. But just keep hitting it, and they'll just keep falling out. You keep hearing them. Hear them? They keep falling out. It's that fast. Oh, gone. They're all gone. A couple more here. Look, all gone. Cold water in there. And what that does is it's going to clean it a little bit. And you see all these little pieces? All these little white pieces? All these white pieces are going to float to the top. So it's easy to clean them off and just take them off. There you go. All you have to do now is get some nice deli containers, fill them up, and save them for later. Put them in the fridge. And that is how you peel a pomegranate in 60 seconds.